Hi and welcome back. I would like to share with you a very simple dinner recipe. This recipe is made from salmon. I'm gonna use air fryer to make this. So all you need for this recipe is salmon pieces, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 lime juice, some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use some veggies as well in this recipe. So I've taken asparagus, carrots and broccoli. You can use cabbage or cauliflower, anything that you have currently in the fridge, and some chopped garlic. So to make these foils, just take a salmon piece. I'm gonna take 2 of them together and place your veggies. And then take the butter and just put the butter on the veggies and the fish. Add some lemon juice. Add some pepper to this. Add some salt. Here I'm using sea salt. Add some garlic on top of this. For this recipe, I'll be using air fryer instant pot lid, but you can use any air fryer and it will work fine. So after you put all of these, you can just close this and make it like a pack. And I'll show you the Instant Pot settings in a minute. I'm gonna make the rest of the packs. You can also add some cheese on top of this. The Parmesan cheese will be very good. But since I'm using this for weight loss recipe, I'm not gonna add any cheese in my dish today. The lemon helps all the spices to go well into the meat. Add good amount of lemon juice. There's nothing like too much garlic, so you can have good amount of garlic and it will taste good. And again, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper into this. You can also add any other fancy spices that you have in your kitchen. Again, the same thing, just fold it over and close the foil. I am currently using salmon, but you can use any other fish types that you like tilapia. You can also use these foils instead of air fry if you want to grill it. You can grill it on your conventional grill. So here I have made three foil packs in around 5 minutes. So now let me show you the air fryer settings. So all you have to do is take your foils and place them in a pot. Just gonna place them like this. And take your air fryer lid, place it on the top and plug it in. Set it to bake at 380 for 20 minutes and start. So actually 20 minutes is done now. I like the fish to be crispy. So I'm gonna set it to broil for 3 minutes at 400 degree Fahrenheit. So boil 400 in 3 minutes and start. So I'll just let it broil for 3 minutes. That will make the fish a bit crispy and I like it that way. If you do not want the fish to be crispy, Just bake it and it's ready to be served. So the 3 minutes are done. Now I'm gonna open the lid. Just be very careful with the lid because it's super hot. Always place it on the base. And now I'm gonna open these foils. There you go. So if you look, it's completely well cooked. Let me taste it. It's awesome. The juice completely went in. It's salty, spicy enough for me. No oil. It's very good. I hope you give it a try, and please let me know in the feedback section how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel with your family and friends. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.